cord. As you guys can see, I switched back Zeke's collar. There we go. Back to the one that Guiding Eyes for the Blind gave me, because I mean, we just used the other one for a while because it just looked cute. Nothing against this one at all. We just decided to switch. I decided to switch back to this one because I feel like the corrections with the leash is more effective. Yes. Good boy. Because if you look, hold on. Because if you look here with the chain, you can see that if I pull this, it closes the collar in more, and but it doesn't without hurting him with that slight tug with the correction. And I am going to take him out here. He's just waiting because he has to go to the bathroom. I'm going to try to make it quick, but yeah, that's I did switch his tags on here. As you can see, they're back on here. I'm not going to show too much because I don't want to there's some personal information on there that I don't want to disclose publicly. Also because privacy and safety, of course. But yeah, that's all I have to say about this collar. I know there's these the chain doesn't go into the collar, it just stops here with these rings. This is the ring that I put I connect the leash on. But yeah, that's that. Oh, there's fireworks somewhere. Hi.
Nice to see you again. How are you?
Good, how about you?
Very well, thank you.
Found a chair. Good boy. Hi.